family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know it's been a while, man. But late September is my birthday, so I went on vacation. Got to unds a lot of kicks. A lot of fire, man. But with those kicks, I also got the unds the Nike SB Jarritos. And I've been was gonna do a how to style this. A lot of items I already gave away or won in raffles, sold on eBay, but I still got some more pieces that'll make a perfect outfit. Hit the B-roll. Sir. So let's start with a newbie. This just came out 2 weeks ago, Supreme this season, and it's the green screen tee. Now, before I even seen this tee, this collab with Supreme, I didn't even know who this guy was, man. I looked him up. He has some crazy but dope artwork pieces. This one here is called the green screen tee, and come on, it's green, just like the Jarritos. It's a perfect match. His hair even looks a little bit of orange, man. I like this match, and it just came out my eye because it's a brand new, it's a newbie joint, and it caught my attention right away. It did sell out, but I think you get this for like almost retail on StockX and GOAT. Keeping it green but going orange is the Kenzo Paris tee. Now, I know when you think of Kenzo, you think of expensive. This was not that bad, guys. It's actually on sale at Nordstrom's. I think I paid $130. You see come on, you see the orange, the green, Kenzo Paris, big letters. And the material, guy, it's Kenzo's, guys. It's Kenzo. Perfect match, man. Going orange from the green is the Photo Andre 3000 Supreme tee. And even what Andre has on matches the Jarritos, guys. Crazy, crazy flip on an orange tee. This is a perfect match. I seen these on StockX for about $100, but it depends on your size. I also seen some for $70 and $80. So if you got the Jarritos, this is a perfect match with an icon and a legend on the tee. It is hoodie season, guys. Ye must be born again, man. One of the dopest and still best hoodies in the last couple of years, if you're not counting essentials. This Ye Must Be Born hoodie is a hot item. I just happen to have it in that orange colorway. Perfect match, very thick, quality's perfect. But you're looking at a little pricey penny. Talking maybe $300 plus on any third party. The Kith Stop the Hunt Dunk Hunt tee. Now, in the front, you just got a little nice Kith logo. But when you get to the back, it gets busy, guys. Kith Stop the Hunt. You got the orange in there, the green in there. Even got the blue in there. I really, really like this match, guys. And another tee I like, it doesn't have no orange in it. Well, it does, but different shades of orange. But it's the Supreme tee. I forget what you call this tee, but it's also new this year, this season, and has every Supreme item that they slap Supreme on in our daily household lives. You got the $100 bill, the Supreme cigarettes, the Supreme key, the Supreme lighter, the Supreme candy, mixed in with some kind of adult stuff in there. I like the match because of the green and the green only, but you also got khaki accents and a little bit of orange in it also. And it's also $75 or below. Jogger pants, or what they calling them, track pants. Track pants, yeah. Track pants has become very popular throughout the years. And they got a lot of different brands make them. This one comes from Zamich. I went with Zamich because the zippers quality The string quality, the pants are quality, man. And I went with the orange with the white because I really didn't want to do too much orange, green. But this orange is the perfect match, man. The bottom zips, jogger style. Perfect match. And like $50, guys. $50, man. Hats. I'm on record telling y'all Hat Club has killed the game for the last 2 years. And this Blue Jays hat right here, perfect match. You don't have to get the Blue Jays. I just always like the Toronto Blue Jays logo. So I always go with them if it's not Yankees or Lakers. But this is called the what pack was this called? I think if you go to Hat Club and you type in Hawaii Bowl, I think it's Hawaii Bowl, guys. But if you can't find it, hit me in the comment section below. I got you. We'll find you a color match. But this is the perfect match, guys. And it's a pink bottom. I like gray bottoms, but I like pink bottoms better. And it's affordable, man. It's on sale for $35. I think retail's $55. But this is the match, guys. The Fair Guard hat in the green, but if you know something about Fair Guard, they have one with a green top and an orange brim. I like that better, but for the casual, I like just the green. But each your own, whatever way you want to go with it. And I like this match only if you're going to do blue jeans. If you go, or black jeans. But if you want to lean more towards that Jarrito look, this is not a good look. But it still matches. You see the Dolphins. Yes, sir, man. So this has been a quick how to style on the Jarrito dunks. I'm back on vacation. I got a Concept C Notes review coming. I'm C Notes, so y'all know I had to do that. I got the Nike SB Born and Raised, maybe sneaker of the year. That's coming. I did a lot of Supreme shirts today. I got the Supreme Nike SB. I got a lot of stuff to record. I just wanted to get this out the way, give y'all something. Let y'all know I ain't forget about y'all. Hope y'all ain't forget about me. If you need help styling, sizing, pricing, anything you seen in this video, hit me in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.